Hi everyone. So after installing Node NVM, what I always recommend is you should also install some required plugin, some extension if you are using VS Code or any other plugin, any other tool. So what we can do is we can go to first download VS Code is fine. You can install Windows or dev version, or if you are using Mac, then you can install the Windows version. Right now, all the required plugins or extensions, so I will say extension pack, and then there is one is extension pack, which comes with ESLint, Prettier, uh, all required theme, Git lens, import cost, and NestJS snippet. If you want Git extension pack, Git history, Git lens. So these are some of the plugins which must be there on your VS Code or Windsurf or Cursor editor that can help you to see things properly, like git blame. You should be able to see on which branch you are on. You should be able to see which particular commit you wanted to push, all those things. So git lens, docker, because we are going to use databases for our with the nestjs apis, so we need a docker compose. So you can install these docker compose and docker, so we can see the docker related stuff in our VS Code. Docker Explorer, Docker Compose, and Docker. These are the three things. Now, other than that, you can actually have a nice and clean theme, and we can get started from there.